ones are the Leopard Eyelet Mary Jane Viva Mondo Creepers. Most of my clothes are black, as you guys know, and these are going to be really great to add into my everyday kind of style. Every time I've had a pair of vegan TUKs, they do come with this little tag that says PETA approved vegan and TUK footwear vegan right on there. I like that they do add the little tag on there so you don't have to second guess yourself, because a lot of these shoes, they do look like authentic suede and leather materials were used in them. They look really high quality and they're just really good. I am so over the moon about these. Oh my god. These are the black faux suede VLK sneakers. I have one pair of sneakers that I have from TUK, and their sneakers are so freaking comfortable and such good quality. They feel really cushiony. They're like my absolute favorite sneaker I think that I've ever owned, and these ones are so freaking cute. They're all black and they do have like a white bone with the skull details on the bottom. But yeah, if you showed me these shoes and it didn't have a little vegan logo on it, I would think that this is like 100% suede or leather because of how nice it feels. So yeah, that completes this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this little unboxing. Thank you guys for watching.